Okay, so the idea is it's not a training session at all. Okay, there is one more person joining in. Roshan is joining back. So Roshan comes back with his mic, I guess. So Roshan, you are also there. Welcome back. Can you hear me?
Yes, hi, I can hear you. Network issues, so I had
No
to
problem.
relog in. Thank you.
Anyway,
Thank you.
I'm also recording it. In case you have it, I'll be circulating it in the groups also. Hey, Monica, I can see you there. Thank you for. Okay, so there's no robots here today. Great. Okay, so I'll just quickly start off because, as I said, this is just a networking session. It's not about the training. Networking here does not mean that we are going to be talking in terms of we network. Yes, but yes, if we are five, six of us, we can obviously use our network and probably build in and get in more people also, and slowly we can increase the group of network. So probably what I teach you, you can also teach people down the line is the whole idea. I'm just sharing my screen for all of your reference. And in case you're having any issues, do let me know. So I do not know how many of you have seen this called Insta Mojo. So there is a site called Insta Mojo. Have any of you seen that, aware of it?
Yes, Sumit, for your courses, whenever you hosted that for free programs, like we were taken through the registration process through InstaMojo, right?
Correct. Correct.
And yeah, so that's I'm aware about that, and lot many other like say trainers also they are using this InstaMojo for payments. So that's what is like happening.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So have
yeah.
you tried going on Instamojo? No, not yet.
No, not yet, Sumit,
Okay. Okay.
because like I have not hosted any paid programs.
Yes.
Like I'm just like paying programs, paying for the programs.
Okay. No
That's it.
problem. So the whole idea of putting, because a lot of, I was individually actually doing sessions for two, three other trainers who wanted to launch their program. And I
Yeah.
realized that the whole idea was the trainers are actually you launch a program and then you want to collect money over a Google Pay or something like that. So we said, why you want to make it like that, and just give it a little better look, feel of your program and the product. I will show you two screens to all of you. you know um, Two screens coming up here, which is okay. I'm logging in, and then I'll tell you how it has to be done, how it is managed. But more important, I think here today is not about how you launch your own product and stuff, but how you are able to sell your products through other people. That is more important actually. Because right now, for example, let's say Monica, we are just four, five of us right now. So let's say each of you have your individual programs to sell, right? But then how are we selling it? you know you will have limited network, or we will be using the same amount of groups that we have. But I think, let's say I'm connected with four groups, and individually all of you would be connected with for some other groups where I am not available, right? And how are people doing today is, probably if I'm sharing a link, people see it, like it, join it, don't like it, you don't join it. But do you further share it, don't share it? We do not really know if we are actually sharing it or we are not sharing it. And I think today it is about what's in for me also, if I'm sharing it. And my whole idea of sharing is that if you are sharing it, I'm using your network to get that business through you. So one is obviously as a goodwill, you are doing it. But how about if I'm saying, if somebody is sharing it, you can still be making money out of it by doing it. And for that, you don't have to really recreate the whole stuff. You don't have to really link it with me. So I'll just quickly talk about the two things here. And obviously I'll show you, since more, if you're not using it, I'll show you how it works. So if you've seen, I've just logged in and this is the kind of page I get. Okay, so these are the link setup and this is the page that I get. All I have to do, the first step one, is that we need to create our own product store. Product means my own program. In case any of you have any questions, please unmute yourself, because I think we just four, five of us, you can quickly ask us me also. So I just click on the products. Sorry, product store is already where my products are. I'm sorry. I'll be clicking on the first one, which is called add products. So I click on something called add products, and I will get a page like this, if you can see. Okay. And what do I do? Am I selling a physical product? No. Am I selling a digital product? No. Am I selling anything else? No. But I'm selling a training program, which is can be treated as events and event tickets. So what I do is I click on event tickets, and I'm just putting a test over here by saying event test. Product description, I'm just saying event test product description. I'll just copy paste this so it looks some numbers of times. Okay, I want to put this, I can skip this, which is basically asking for an SSE code if I'm a GST registered. So I would use 998311, type is, I'll say SSE code. But if you are not GST registered, you can skip this part. Then I go to what am I doing here, product. So I'll simply come here and I can say I use normally B2B service. Somebody could use course and education. So I'll just do it course and education. Do you want to tag along this? Yeah, I can tag it. I want to put a word training, add, is it a leadership? I mean, this is just for tagging purposes. You can put leadership and add. Is it for free or is it a price? So for now, if it's free, it's very simple. Just click on the free. There are sometimes you want to do charitable cause. So you may want to also use pay what you want. Fantastic feature which I like. जिसको जो मर्जी है पे करो बट कुछ तो पे करो एंड उसके अंदर भी आपके पास एक ऑप्शन होता है डू यू वांट टू कीप अ लिमिट टू इट विच इज यू पुट अ बेस प्राइस 200 रुपए उसके ऊपर जिसकी जो श्रद्धा दो नहीं है तो मत दो यू नो सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज बट राइट नाउ आई वांट टू मेक इट कमर्शियल एंड आई विल से simplifying it 1000 rupees for us. Do you want to limit your tickets? Now, if you don't want to limit your tickets, you can just leave it blank. How many people want to register, you can. But today, I think there are sometimes like for certain workshops, I want to limit my workshop to 10. So I can just put 10 as a number. That's it. Or I can put 50 as a number. I can keep coming back to my back screen and I can always change it, but I'll just use 10 for now. And then it says add image. So let me add some image. You all can see my screen, right? Because I'm using my desktop share actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm just going, let me just see what pictures do I have. Okay, I was just selling some pens yesterday and let me use these pictures only. We bought these pens for some event and I realized we were just clearing up our office. So we have so many pens actually lying in office. Okay, so I've uploaded these images. Venue is Zoom. When do I want to do it? So let's say I'll do it Sunday tomorrow and I'm just putting a time over here. Which I was normally putting 11 o'clock. I come here, I again use 13th and I put the end time at 12 o'clock. So 12 p.m. is my ending time. It says, right now I'm not using this feature, which it says, let anyone opt to become reseller. Now this is very, very important. And this is the whole idea that we thought we were going to connect. So first I will come back to this, but the idea is right now I want to create how you create your own product and how do you create your page. Okay, then you go to advanced setting. Now this advanced setting over here talks about custom redirection URL. Now what does this actually mean? This means once the person has registered, so most of the time you would have seen the ones that you joined us, it redirected you to a WhatsApp group. And once you clicked on it, you joined a group automatically. So here I can either make you join the group, I can take you to some other web page, website, anything. For now, I'll just do www.taghouse.com. Send a customer a note. I will say thank you for purchasing right now. That's it. Maximum number of units. Now, sometimes you may want to limit. Do you want to put a maximum number of units? Now, if you're doing a free program, I always suggest you use one. But if it is a paid program, you can let somebody purchase 10 also. There's no difference. But why I'm saying when it's a free, you should always limit this to one. Suppose you have a limitation of 100, somebody just comes and puts in 10 of purchase, then you will realize, oh, 10 seats have sold, but actually it's just one person joining it. So I put that. Okay, now this is something called webhook. I don't use this because I do not know about it. So we'll skip this part. SEO options is for digital marketing people who are wanting to use this link for a lot of SEO. You can use this area. But for us, like a generic place, we can again skip this and we'll simply say now add product to store. So if you see, all you've done is very simple. The place that I added those description, which is here, is where you will put your objective, product description, everything you put in over here. And it is adding right now. Let me see, koi error aaya? No. So there it is. So if you see, my page is created, as simple as that. Okay. So do we all, it's simple enough, not rocket science. Now from here, if I look at view store, now this is, so since this is one right now, this is one, but you can see that I've added 28 products on my store, which means when I've added multiple, but I've added all of them through the same stuff. So if somebody wants to see my store or visit the store, this is how it will look like. Okay. And I'll tell you how this is also come up here, but this is how your store, online store will look like. So as an individual trainers, you want to create your product, you have 1, 2, 3 products, please list them like this. It makes more better look and feel. This is the link that you must then share with your clients rather than sharing a product link. I was sharing product link on WhatsApp with all of you to join in. But in this case, you can actually share this link. You don't need even this last part actually, just this. So it says InstaMojo at Tech Events. That's my page name. So I will re-enter this and I put this, and this is the page which it will take me on. So anyone who, somebody says, what are you selling today? You can simply get them here. That's all. Okay. Now let's get back into this product page. I want to buy this. So I come here and I click on buy. See what it is asking. It is asking for my name. It is asking for email ID right now, and then my phone number. And I say next. And in the next page, it is now taking me to choose multiple payments. Okay. And you can see there are multiple card payments, everything here. Now, what is important here, you saw that there is this increment of price, 38.94. Why is this increment come in? Okay, now this increment is basically a convenience fee, which is the fee which the gate is charging, this gateway, that InstaMojo that I'm using, that's how they make their own money. This is what it is charging. But why is it coming 1,000 plus? Now it is coming 1,000 plus because it is up to us. Do we want to pay this to InstaMojo or do we want to pass this on to my customer? So I normally would prefer to pass it on to my customer because obviously somewhere we're also discounting the product, or maybe that convenience fee because हमारा हिसाब गड़बड़ हो, because हम अपना हिसाब बना रहे हैं, we are making our own cost factors, where let's say for example I'm saying my training has to sell for 10,000 because I have to pay the trainer 5,000, I want to keep 5,000, so 10,000 I should get. So if 10,000 I should get 10 people, then 1,000 rupees I should get, but whatever is the added convenience fee, that let the person pay. So I think 38-40 rupees nobody minds paying on 1,000 rupee. Now this fee is actually not calculated as a flat fee, it is on a 3% basis. So 3% plus the GST. So that is how it gets passed on to the customer. But let's see, this is 1,000 right now, but remember I gave those discount codes and multiple stuff. So where do we get all of that? So for all of that, we need to go to something called settings. I'm going to come back to the settings, but let me edit back my edit store, this product store. Let me re-edit that. So for that, I will go into my particular product, which is this. Since I am logged in, I have the edit right. But if I'm not logged in, then you'll have to log in. You'll get this edit right, or you can go to your dashboard and go to the product, open it, and then click on edit. Now, if you see, I come to this edit. In this edit, do I want to make any changes? Yes, I want 1,000 rupees, but I want to give a discount of 500 rupees to somebody. So what do I do first for that? I will simply first increase my cost. As simple as that, 1,500. That's what everybody does. I will update this column over here. And then I'll go to my dashboard. Now dashboard will not take me there. Dashboard takes me to, yeah. So dashboard is this where we went earlier. Now in this, I will go to my product store and it shows me a list of everything. All these are my past events, but this is the one that we did. So what do we do here? I want to create discounts. Now what is a discount? Is a 500 rupee discount. So what do? I click on discount codes and I want to say early bird. Code is early bird, should be all together ideally, early bird and 500. Now this is the code that you want to share. What amount of discount? I want to share it 500. Now sometimes we say early bird और वो चलता ही जा रहा है, चलता ही जा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. I mean, but that's completely up to you. So I want to say the first 5 people who register will get that 500 discount. So I will also then limit my quantity here. I can even come back and change it to 10 or whatever I want, but right now I'm saying first 5 people will get this discount. I will click on add code. But before that, there is also something saying show your customer the option to use discount code. Uncheck this to keep discounts private, only people with unique code. So do you want people to see it when they come on site? Yes, I can do that. or you may want to keep a discount. It's very simple. You check it or you uncheck it. Right now, I'll leave it unchecked. And I'll say add code. Now, if you see it has added, it says early bird. So now let's test that. Let's test the part that we said, will this code work for me, not work? Let's see. So I will come here. I've opened it. So you see there is a change of this thing. I'm going to click on buy tickets, right? I will say Sumit, email, info. You'll see actually there is no change. There is no option for the discount code going to come in. So why will that happen? You'll also see that 600, 567, and I'm saying next. So you see there is no discount code, but my fees increase, my convenience fees increase. So how do I get that discount code option? Discount code option is where somebody who's asked you for, showing interest, then you will actually click on this link. There's a discount link option. So rather than sharing the common link that we shared over there earlier, we're going to share a discount link with them, which is this link. I'll click copy, and then I'll say, hey, you are looking at an early bird discount. Here is the link. You click on this early discount, it has automatically created that 500 by 1000, and the person can go and pay for that lesser amount of ticket. So this enables you actually, sometimes customer calling you, asking you, hey, I want discounts. So don't lose the customer. That's the time you can actually negotiate with them, or probably he may want to say, I'll get you 3 guys. Can you give me a higher discount? You may have a code, not have a code, and you may create a code for him at the back end. That's one way. The other is, as we said, do we want to increase this code? Maybe have the customer. So let me create an option. Let me create another one, which I'm saying, okay, after early bird, it is just, I'm just saying tag 300, discount amount of 300. And this should be for the next 10 people. And I'm saying add code. Okay. Now this is for 5, this is for 3. Let me see if it is going to work now this time. Okay, so this is coming to my same this thing. No, I need to go into without the discount code link. So I come here, it says 1500. I click on buy. Now do you see it says I have a discount code. Earlier this code was not coming. I have a discount code. So what we have only done a difference is I've clicked here, and I have these codes you may want to share in your marketing, which says people coming early, click use this code, otherwise use this code. So if I click on early bird 500, I'm not filling up the data because I'll just be able to see it here. Early bird 500, I apply, and I get this discount, and my amount is $1,000 now. So that's how I create discount codes, and I get stuff here. So till this place, are we all clear? If I can, yeah. Are we all good with this much of information, everyone?
Yes, clear, Sumit.
Okay. Now, there is something which I was talking about. Now, suppose, Monica, you have created a program like this, right? And what does Monica normally does? Monica will share this code with me, okay, on WhatsApp, and will say, hey, I'm doing this program, take it. I don't want this program because I don't have a need for it. But my only question is, what if Monica says, hey, Sumit, why don't you resell my program in your network and take 30% as selling cost, which means 500 rupees for the number of people register from your end. How many of you would be interested in something like this?
Yeah,
Me,
I think
so
I'm
me.
I would be interested.
Nice,
maybe
nice.
be interested. Right now, maybe the amount is looking 500, but look at the programs where there are very good quality programs we come across which are selling for 15,000 bucks, and somebody saying take 20%, 25%, 30%, which means you can make straight away 5,000 by just circulating it in your own network. Okay. So the price amounts can vary, and the choices whether you want to resell it or not is also up to you. But how do I make those changes? I will come here, edit, and I will go down somewhere which I showed, let anyone opt as a reseller. I will click this box, and now it is asking for reseller commission. What is the commission you want to pay in percentage? And we decided as 30% over here. Okay, very simple. We've not done any rocket science. We've created a page. We put this stuff here. Okay, one second. Yeah. I've just muted you, so थोड़ा सा background से आवाज आ रहा था. So I've just created this 30%, and I'm just saying update now. Okay. Now it is not going to show me anywhere here, but what is this 30% going to do? Any idea? Any of you have any idea how this 30% is going to work for you? If you can unmute yourself and let me know.
I think in that 30% you get a participant which you were not getting earlier.
Hmm. So, but then how
But
do
again,
you,
we reach to many people.
yeah,
Yeah,
so
we reach to
suppose,
many people, Sumit, correct? Right?
yes,
Yeah,
yeah,
we
Yeah,
reach to
that's
many people.
yeah,
Wherein, well, if I'm going to do my single person effort, I may get 10, say, like participants for my program.
yeah,
But when I'm going through as a reseller, like
yeah,
the volume increases, where I'm doing 10, I will get 5 to 10 times of it. And the
correct.
money is more, and I'm able to share my profits. Got it?
Absolutely. But tell me
Yeah.
very simple question. I have a very simple question right now.
Yeah.
You are reselling me, but you do not know how many participants have joined me. Then
Uh,
how does that assure you of your 30%?
for a minimum count of so many participants. See, only if I get say like 50 entries, I will be able to like go away with the 30% commission, right?
Agreed. So
Yeah,
my point is you have circulated this link for me.
yeah.
How do you know? Because anyone who registered, how will you come to know that this 30% money has to come to me or so many people have registered for the program? Sumit to bol dega baad mein, yaar, I
Oh,
do not know
oh.
these people have actually
So I
joined
think the answer
my
is
link.
maybe you would want to provide them with a special link that only they use, and whoever comes through that link would automatically make him entitled to a 30%.
Okay. So another, I'll again throw this. So somewhere partly right. But let's say, for example, four of you are there and all four of you agree to sell my program, which is let's say for 10,000 rupees. And now there are 10 participants who have joined in. Any idea that which participant has come through who? Who's come through Harsh? Who's come through Monica? Who's come through Roshan? Maybe that person may have told Monica, hey, Monica, I've registered for your program. But Sumit will say, no, even I circulated. He's in my group. How do I trust?
won't there be any feature which says that?
Yes, absolutely. So you're right. So that's what I wanted to come to. And why do I wanted to question this? Because once we circulate this video also to a lot of people, they should trust the system over here. But that once the people buy through the link that you share, you will automatically get your 30%. I will get my 70%. You don't have to ask Sumit for 30%. The system will automatically push the 30% in Monica's account and 70% it will credit it in Sumit's account. That is how the system will work. Okay. So let's go to now the dashboard. So if you notice for that particular program, we have already created this, but let me just correct the name of the program. I think it is not correct. It is a slightly different. Let me just call it event test. Yeah, so it's called event test. We've done 30% of a reseller. I go into dashboard now. Now look at the beauty of the dashboard. First of all, Monica is not just aligned to Summit to resell it. There can be multiple hundred of people who are selling it. Okay. Now, typically like an Amazon, look at Amazon. So if you go on Amazon, what happens? You have multiple options to choose from. And similarly, if you want to sell somebody else, you have multiple options. Why you want to only sell Summit? Look at some other opportunities also. And all of this can come on your board without you creating a product line. Okay. So I'll go here. The second one, the product and store is your product, but the reseller I'm clicking on reseller buttons and look at this. So what does it say? Reseller, देखिए कितने सारे आ गए. So there are people who are selling books. Look at the commission, 50%, 30%, 15%. Right now for 49 rupees, 15%, I'm sure you may not want to be interested. Somebody is selling for 9, 30%, depending. If you find something very interesting, you can just pick up those from here. Okay, now let me pick up the one that I talked about, which was called event. So let's say sometimes you may not find it and you may want to click on something called event test that I created. When your customer buys, you will earn commission. Okay, so let's talk about this. Now, where is my event test? There are so many people who are selling it. Okay. So it is not coming, showing up. Let me go and see that. Why is it not coming? In the meanwhile, I can just pick up something like this. So somebody is saying 100% leads, which means somebody just offered free over here. Okay, so but anyway, we can just pick up something like an EnglishValet.com. I click on that button that I clicked, and it will take you a page like this, and it just says resell this. As simple as that. So I want to just simply resell this. I click on resell this. Okay. Now it says your reseller link is ready. Now this is my link, not the link that Sumit has shared with you on the product. I have shared that I've launched this program, but you can use this. So when you now use this copy, for example, I've copied this. I will click on the new link, and this is the program that I will now share it with everybody. So if you notice, it will show this over here. It's the same thing, but there is somewhere this link. If you can notice this end part, it says affiliate equal to tag events, which means it is actually counting in me over here by saying affiliate tag events. So now if somebody just simply clicks the buy over here, he'll have to fill up everything like that and pay $9, as simple as that. But what will happen at the back end is the 30% of this will come to me, will straight away come to tag events. The rest will go to whoever has created this book. Okay. So that is how this will happen. Any questions here?
Clear so far.
So that is as simple as the idea was of selling around, because all of us, as sir also said, that if each of us have more network, let's say I have a network of 1200 people, any of people want to create it, the program looks very nice. So there are programs that keep coming in 10,000, 15,000. The people may be selling it, not able to sell it. So why not? Okay, we can resell it for you. The idea is we can resell it using our network, but we also need to get paid about it for building our network. So that's how.
A question here.
Yes, sir.
Can we target our course? Like, see, I want to offer a course only for students, like in the age category 18 to 21, or say 18 to 23. Is that possible through this reselling options?
So you can. So if you want to target it, you can mention it, because see, there are a lot of other people who are sitting over here. But a lot of people, if you look at, there are very few people who know the reselling concept also in this. Now, a lot of people who know InstaMojo, they'll only know how to create links. So suppose you don't even have a course, you just want to collect the payment. So you can simply create a link, and you tell somebody, hey, the link is here, kindly make me payment of 30,000. So somebody saying, I'm using only card. Yeah, do you have a swipe machine? You tell him, I'm giving you a link, use the link and make me payment. So people only know this, they do not know the reseller option over here. Now, as you asked, let's say you have created a program which is targeting an X amount of people, then in that case, you will have to ask that person to come on InstaMojo, log in, and become a reseller for your product.
Okay.
Because, for example, let's say you are not on InstaMojo right now.
Yeah.
So how do you create an how do you create your reseller link? You will not be able to create it, no? Because then at that point of time, आप ये वाला link share कर रहे होगे मेरा. You will be sharing this link, right?
Okay.
But this link will not will make you accountable how many people have taken it through your link.
Okay.
Right? Whereas in the InstaMojo, if you look at this is the product. But if you want to check how many people have bought, you come to reseller dashboard. Now for reseller dashboard, let's say these are the 3 that I had created. So you can actually see here, this is the link, and view your earning report. So you can see that there are no transaction, nobody is purchased. But if anyone is purchased, your report will keep coming over here. Right. So, so let's say you've identified list of 4, 5, 6, 7 odd people. You're going to be requesting them to come, first log in on InstaMojo, create an account and come in here. Okay. Now I'll just take you to another. So these are the 2 main things, but coming to the setting part. Now settings में हमारा जो 2-3 चीजें which we need to keep in mind is account setting. It talks about your this thing, numbers, email ID. This is a payment URL link. Okay. Now this is very handy. If you look at this payment link, it's very simple. I've just copied it. All you need to do is send just this link to somebody like this. And he will open this link and it will ask him the payment. So let's say you tell him, I'm sending you a link, make me a payment on it. So he'll say, okay, what I'm making a payment, I'm making a test payment. What is the amount? 5,000 I need to pay, and you click on pay, and he will come here, put his name, everything, and click on next, and he will be able to make a payment to you straight away. Okay. So that's one advantage that you see here. Then we come a little more payment settings. Now payment setting, if you notice the convenience fee, if you want the convenience fee to be passed on to your customer, you're going to click on this button. If you don't want, you want to bear that fees, you will switch off this button. Now in this switching off this button, see what has happened here. If you remember this button here, 1,000 rupees, 1,500 ka program hai. I will click on buy. I'm not using any discount code right now. Sumit, email ID, phone number, and I click on next. So you see, there is no convenience fee added. Straight away 1,500 has to be paid. But what will you get? The amount that you will get would be 2%. So which means if you are bearing the fee, InstaMojo is only going to deduct 2%. But if you want this fee because you don't want to even bear that 2%, you want to pass it on to your customer, then you click this on and it will become 3%. That's the whole logic. Payout settings. Now payout settings, this is a little tricky one over here in the payout setting. What it says is, uh, where is it? Do you want instant payment? Let's say normally the payout payment will come to you in 3 days. So I'm happy because I don't need the money right now. So it will come to you 3 days. But if you want instant payment, means somebody just done it, it comes to you, they'll charge you 1% more. You wanted to come in the same day, anytime, another this thing. So there's a percentage. I don't select any of these, not required. Profile settings, put your logo, whatever you want to put in, you can put up all this stuff. This all will go on your portal basically. And store setting. Now store setting may I have put store, it's on, and I've switched off my cart. My cart is basically a little difference, but if I for now, let's say I'm switching on my cart and I'm switching off my store. Sorry, I can't switch off my store because everything will get disabled. I've just switched on my cart right now. So cart is a little different feature as compared to the earlier one. So if I look at this cart over here, so now see, if you look at, there's no buy button, it just says add to store. So which means if you have, let's say 5-6 programs and you want multiple people to, you want one person to buy multiple stuff, then I suggest you go in for a cart option, which means you'll add this, you'll go to your other stores. Okay, so let's say I've added this, then I go to design thinking, I want this, so this is not available for my backend right now. Let me see which one is available. Actually, I've switched them off. Okay, but I hope you understand. So I can basically keep adding and I can go in the lump sum and then make a payout at the end of it. So that's how it works. Then tax settings, if you have GST details and all, you can please add that. Shipping setting not required because it's all e-learning. So this is how this small little information, and we can all be networked across. And I mean, the suggestion is you all join it and you can be over it. Now, when you're joining in also, rather, let me put it, since all of you are there, you can use chat features. You can network with friends. So if let's say somebody wants to, I want Monica to come on InstaMojo. So Monica has two options. One, you can simply go Monica and log in and create login. But you don't benefit, I don't benefit there. So what do I do here is, there was something called reference. I'm just seeing where is that reference. Yeah, invite and earn. Okay, so I click on invite and earn, and I can actually share this with you. Simple in your chats coming to you. And I'll say, hey, why don't you go log in, create your own login here. Okay. Now what this login will do is, now if somebody is logging in using this, obviously my tag event is coming and there is something called 500 rupees free. So which means if I am inviting anyone is using my link to join in, both of us will get 500 each in our account. But when will we get this? This we will get it once Monica's programs are up and Monica gets her first payment. So once Monica gets her first payment, I'll get 500. Monica will also get 500 from InstaMojo itself for joining this. So you can benefit from here also. The idea is not that you use my link and I benefited. That's a very minor this thing, but the major one is, I think six of you were there. I'm sure slowly many more can really think on this, come online, because I've seen other payment gateways there. eBasket, the platform that you saw with the store and all is not as good as the one that I just showed you, because they will just create links for you to pay, or you are using a Google Pay or a Paytm. This one allows you to create your virtual store, which you can use. Now, this one that I created is an old virtual store, so it is only limited to this. I'll show you a new one also. Now, this is a new one. This is a separate login that I've created. Now, this is a new store for me, and the look and feel of this store is little different. है सब कुछ same उसमें. अच्छा एक और चीज था which I forgot, which I just refunded somebody's money actually. So somebody pays, now within 2 or 3 days I have an option to also refund the money. I can simply go here, refund, and the payment that I have received, so you have no refund because that has been done. I can simply click initiate refund and the money goes back to the person's account. Okay, and what is nice about this is now the new logins. Anyone who now starts logging in, you will get something like this online store. You get a separate column here, online store, which was not there in my previous one. If you look at my this one, this is my old account. I'm just showing between, I'm toggling between two screens actually.
So, Sumit, I registered to InstaMojo, I mean, few months back, meaning maybe April, May. So, this is new later than that, this new
I
version.
am not sure. You can just check if on your left
Okay.
side, do you have something store? If you look at
All
this,
right.
the store is not coming. But
Okay.
ones who have registered old, they will, this will get upgraded slowly. That's what they have said. But
Okay.
why the new one I've created is because this gives me option to change my design stores also. Okay, so I'll just show you where is my design
But
store.
on one email ID, you can't have two accounts, right?
No, you cannot have two. So you may want to create another ID. So in my case, I have two IDs. So I'm
Okay.
using it. So I go to stores and I say select themes. Okay. Now this select theme is the look and feel of your store, how you want it. Look at this. Now this is not there with the old one. इसमें जितनों पे भी आपके select आ रहा है, I'm using this one in this, but these are the old ones. Sorry, you can select either of this also. But the ones which say upgrade plan are the ones which are premium ones. So you may not want to go for premium because these are more than sufficient. So if you look at this, you can create features, all of this. So it will actually look like a real website for you. I'll show you. I've tried creating one, which I'm still working on. So I have to go where? I have to go to my store, which is, yeah, online store. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा link change हो जाता है. It's stackhouse.stores over here. So if you see, I've created a small little banner also, like a typical website. I've created a banner. Second, what it is doing beautifully is what are my featured products. This allows me here, like this. And then I've put this also, latest programs. So you see, I've just added two right now. So this is sampling, but this is I've also added here.
This
And
is
I
nice.
have I have created something like this. See, this is separate. So what I'm saying is there's a certification program. I'm adding stuff here. Competency based, sales school, MS Office, leadership, finance here. So people can just come here, click on soft skills, and they'll get all the soft skills wala page over here. Finance, they'll get all the finance page. Content development, PPT, workbook, VLT, video bites, customize, whatever you like. Then HR consulting page, mindfulness page, virtual learning page, so events, LED learnings and all of this. So all of this people will again get it. And they can even search from here. And again, you can have, so I've also added like shop baskets and I go in here, shopping bag. Now, okay, this is pretty interesting. Iska jo login, ye wala jo 2+ hai, this was little very interesting. So I'll show you how I did this one. In this again, the same way we have to create, but I came here, I clicked on, Posh Trainer. And at the back end, I've created IDs that if you are only registering as one person, you get 500 discount. But if you're registering at two people, then 1,000 each. So how does that happen here is I simply click on buy and buy continue as a guest. I've just written randomly here. And so if you see, it is showing me those codes like you see on Flipkart and other stuff. So people can simply click get that, avail that discount over here. And if you can see other offers, but you cannot use the 2000 offer because it will say you cannot avail it because the amount is not met. So I've created backend link. So if I increase this, now I can use the 2000 link and it will upgrade me to 2000. So that is it I had for all of you, I thought. And obviously I'll share this with others also where people can get. Any feedback, any questions, more than welcome, everyone.
No, could I have this recording also, Sumit?
Yeah, I'll be sharing this recording.
Yeah, thank you. Because there's too many things, to remember.
Yes, and I thought
Thank you.
45 minutes, I think it's going to help. So we can just be resellers and connect with each other to sell for each other. That's all. COVID time में तो वही कर सकते हैं, दुकान चलानी है.
Thank you, Sumit. I think this was helpful.
Thank you. Hey Harsh, anything?
It was great, in fact. Great learning.
Himanshu, I think you joined in a little late, I guess.
Me?
No, Himanshi.
Himanshi. Yeah, I joined a little late. I had a meeting with my team online.
Okay. So no worries, Himanshi. I will send this video also to everyone so you all can watch.
Sure, yeah, please do.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank
guys.
you.